Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Nikita Chauhan and I'm back for you with another reading. Today we are gonna read for Capricorn, and this is gonna be a reading from Feb 1st to Feb 15th. We are gonna see your recent past, your current situation, and what can you expect in these 15 days. And guys, keep in mind this is a general reading, so some messages may not resonate with you. Take whatever resonates and leave the rest, okay? So let's get started for Capricorn. Are you seeking clarity? Well, let's see what comes up. Okay. Capricorn. Okay. If I talk about your recent past, I feel you rushed towards something that you rushed towards your independence basically. In love, if I talk about, you had options, maybe you still have. You had options, you were confused about choosing one. But I see you being not so focused on your love life in the recent past. I see your happiness lies in your financial abundance, and I see you rushing towards that. Okay, I see you taking steps very quickly into the direction where you will get financial abundance, where you will be at this point where you can say, yes, I have, make it. Okay, you have big goals, and I see you, focusing on that only. If I talk about your current situation, I feel maybe there was some offer that came to you, or that will come to you, or that has come to you already. Maybe this may be related to, maybe some travel, or maybe from foreign you got some job offer or something like that. Okay, something related to travel, tourism, and anything. I think you want to do a lot. You're the kind of person who will say, I'll try this too, this too, this too, when it comes to your career, of course. And even if you feel burdened, you don't tell it to anybody. And that's why, because you are the one who has taken so much responsibilities. No one was there to tell you that you should take, like, you should bite more than you can chew. You were the one who is so interested in financial abundance that you keep on taking stuffs up and then feeling burdened. But you don't tell it to anyone. You're crazy about your independence financially, of course. Even no matter how burdened you feel, still you will be happy because it is related to your financial abundance. You are making money from it. That's why you are happy. If I talk about your near future, still I see like sleepless nights. Maybe there will be some offer that will come to you, and the person that is coming with this offer may be younger than you. And again, you have so much to think about. If I think you will be interested in this person, you are already interested in this, and he will come to you. So I don't see you saying no to him or them, like however this resonates with you. I'm a girl, that's why I'm saying him. I don't see you saying no to them. But yeah, I see you kind of in this contemplating mode. How will I manage stuffs? I have so much work to do. I have this business, that job, that another, thing that I want to do, and now this proposal. How will I handle it? Okay. So you may face headaches, you may face sleepless nights, and I don't know how are you gonna handle this. It's up to you. But yeah, that's what I have for you, Capricorn. If this reading resonated with you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Bye.